Make presentations shorter and start with team breakouts before lunch. This will keep the energy in your PI planning high. This is an advice from Nico Kaintantis, so do not miss his other exceptional advices in his 5 things I wish I'd known before my first PI planning episode. So click the link up here. But now, before we waste any more time, let's see what's behind the 23rd wicket.
Sometimes as RTEs we are asked to create a new canvas or add a new sticky type to an existing canvas. Either you open a new tab in your browser, enter the RT cockpit URL, navigate through the menu to the appropriate session and then to the Canvases tab. Or this long way is not necessary. Instead, click on Canvases and you will find a button Manage at the top. And here you are.